This video introduces one of the key functions of 2D target object recognition, namely information reading, and demonstrates how to configure relevant parameters using the 2D target object recognition tool. In scenarios such as object assembly, 2D cameras are used to read information, identifying object models and batches. This enables accurate data entry. Next, we'll take the part number recognition of wire harness as an example to demonstrate the configuration process. In this scenario, the overall recognition process includes 4 steps: image preprocessing, pose correction, information reading, and general settings. During image preprocessing, color space conversion is used to adjust color and brightness information, highlighting the features of the target objects. Enhancement and denoising operations can also be applied to improve subsequent recognition results. After image preprocessing, perform pose correction. To ensure accurate recognition, first set the region of interest, ROI. Then, select an appropriate correction method to align the current image with the template. In information reading, the system quickly trains the AI model to achieve efficient character recognition. General settings let you configure output ports to display recognition results, meeting requirements for production traceability and assembly error proofing. Now, let's move on to the configuration process. Open Mech-Vision and enter the 2D target object recognition project. If image distortion exists, please perform distortion calibration first. Ensure that the camera acquires images normally and that the image quality meets the requirements. Once you confirm there is no distortion, configure the 2D object recognition step. Click Config Wizard to enter the tool interface. Then select Information Reading and choose Optical Character Recognition. Click OK to proceed to image preprocessing. Since there is no background interference in this case, and the characters on the object surface are clear in this high-quality image, preprocessing is not required. For actual applications, adjust it if needed. Click Next to proceed to pose correction. To eliminate angular and positional deviations of the wire harness, perform correction. Common correction methods include no correction, 2D alignment, and 2D blob alignment. When you use the no correction method, the system directly recognizes the original input image with no pose alignment. This is suitable when the object positions are fixed in the image, and high alignment accuracy is not required. The 2D alignment method aligns the input image to the template via translation and rotation. It's suitable for objects with varying positions and distinct profile features, where the object profile matches the template. If the object doesn't match the template, use 2D blob alignment. The 2D blob alignment method detects light and dark region, namely blobs. This method filters the target blob by geometric constraints, and computes its minimum rotated bounding rectangle. Then, it adjusts the pose to align the blob centroid with the image center, and orients the principal axis of its rotated bounding rectangle parallel to the image axis. It's suitable for objects with clear profile and large, continuous light and dark region. Here, the wire harness recognition's position varies while the part number identification profile is consistent, so 2D alignment is applied. Click 2D alignment and name the parameter group. Next, select the recognition region. Because the wire harness are mainly distributed in the lower part of the image, it's recommended to select Customize Recognition Region. In Select Template, click Edit to open the 2D Template Editor. Here, the image is automatically captured, and you can name the template. Since the part number identification profile is consistent and corresponds to the part number to be recognized, draw the template based on the part number identification profile. Use the Rectangular ROI tool to outline the region of part number identification. After selection, the object center point has been generated automatically. Generally, the default settings are appropriate. If needed, adjust the center point through Edit Center Point. Then, click Generate Template to check the effectiveness of the character profile feature extraction. Here, the character is accurately recognized with no obvious interfering points around the character edge, indicating a good recognition performance. If interfering points exists, adjust the coarse edge threshold and fine edge threshold to prevent noise. If the camera height or position deviates slightly, the apparent size of the wire harness may change. To improve accuracy, adjust the scale ratio accordingly to allow minor scaling during matching. After completion, generate the template. When the character can be recognized clearly with no noise, save the template. Click Update to apply the latest template configuration. Select the template in the drop-down list. Click Run Step to view the template matching results in the visualization region. For checking the alignment of other wire harnesses, place different wire harnesses and repeatedly click Run Project. Confirm the alignment effectiveness based on both visual results and confidence scores. In the visualization area, green indicates successfully aligned edges, while red represents misaligned ones. Since the part number identification of the wire harness can be recognized accurately with high confidence, no further adjustment is needed. Click Next. After pose correction, proceed to information reading to recognize the character on the wire harness. In this step, based on the aligned image, you will quickly train an AI model for accurate recognition. Please operate as follows. Under Set ROI, click Edit. In this scenario, choose Custom ROI and use the rectangle tool to outline the part number region. Then, click Save and Apply. Click Validate to check whether results meet expectations. Since the validation result displays the accurate part number, the recognition is successful. In case of recognition errors, use wildcards in the Character Correction parameter to constrain character types. For example, here the number 0 in the first 3 characters is misrecognized as the letter O. To correct the character type, you can enter the numeric wildcard to constrain the character type to numbers only. Click Infer Single Image again to correct the letters to numbers. Please see the documentation for more information about parameter adjustment. To check the recognition results of other wire harness, place different wire harnesses under the camera and click Infer Single Image. Once information recognition is reliable, click Next to open General Settings. Here you can configure output ports for the optical character recognition results. Click to add output ports if needed. In this scenario, the recognition result of characters is output by default. If you want to view the recognition judgment result, recognition status, and image with result, select the corresponding ports. Now, this completes the configuration for information reading. Next, connect the output step to view the overall execution results. In this case, it only outputs recognition results, so you can select Custom in the output type and name the port. Then, connect the corresponding step port and click Run. In the Robot and Communication, you can configure TCP communication to transmit the results to a host computer, thereby satisfying production traceability requirements for the assembly process. For more information on 2D target object recognition applications, please watch the other tutorial videos and refer to related documentation.